Weather camera, where we're seeing a very chilly day today, and Montana McLaughlin is in for Matt Gray tonight with a look at what we can expect for the rest of our weekend and next week. Montana.
Yeah, Taylor, for the rest of the weekend, we can still expect these valley inversions to hang around, causing some pretty chilly temperatures for most of our locations. But today's highs were not as bad as they were yesterday. Places like Butte and Dillon actually saw temperatures into the teens, even low 20s. However, that was not the case for places like Missoula and Helena, still being affected by these valley inversions. You can really see that here on the live look over Missoula. You can kind of see the haze just hanging around here at the base of the mountains, and that, as we said before, is causing this low, poor air quality effect. Temperatures right now, though, pretty chilly, though, in those areas affected by the inversions. Helena at 1 degree, Missoula at 4 degree, a little warmer in Kalispell than you were yesterday. And even though you were a little warmer up north, it's not the same for air quality, because air quality today was a little worse than it was yesterday. The good news is, though, we are not being too much affected by the wind, so our current temperatures are actually going to be pretty similar to the temperatures with wind chill right now around the region, which is good. But like I said, these valley inversions, we can expect those to at least hang around until tomorrow night, maybe even into Monday morning, and that's just going to cause some patchy, dense fog for many of our valley locations, and that stagnant air mixing with those pollutants is really what we can expect for the rest of the weekend, which is why we do have an air quality warning for much of western Montana, and that is even extended today to areas east of the divide like Helena. It's still affecting northern Idaho, eastern Washington as well, and this warning is going to be in effect until tomorrow morning, but as I mentioned earlier, we could expect that to extend again. Now here's just another look at this map. You can really see it's color coordinated for you. Unhealthy in Helena. If we had a little dot for Seeley Lake, that would also be unhealthy as well, and it's moderate, so anyone who is sensitive to this, children, the elderly, anyone with respiratory disease, limit your outdoor activity. Now here's really what this means when we do have a valley inversion. You can kind of see it here on our future tracker. We don't have very much cloud cover, a high pressure system moving in, so that air in the valleys is not mixing with the air in the atmosphere, and it's mixing more with pollutants down in the valley, which is where we get that poor air quality at, though. Tonight, temperatures will not be as chilly as they've been last night and the nights before. We're seeing single-digit temperatures for west central Montana. No sub-zero temperatures, which is the good news, and tomorrow begins a warming trend. Highs could even be in the low 20s for most of our cities in west central Montana, and that warming trend starts for the rest of the week. We could expect scattered showers, maybe even some rain there Tuesday through Thursday, which is something we have not seen in a while. Temperatures could even get up to 40 degrees by Thursday, and that's similar for many of our other cities. Tonight, though, in northwest Montana, patchy fog, so if you're out there driving, just be careful, be aware of possibly patchy fog, partly sunny skies tomorrow. Also in low 20s, Thompson Falls, you could even get up to 33 degrees. And this is warmer than we've seen for the last couple of weeks. Absolutely, definitely looking more comfortable, as we've got a rain-snow mix predicted here for the rest of the week. Highs mostly in the mid to upper 30s, so it will be a lot more comfortable. Bozeman and southwest Montana, you could even see the possibility of some rain-snow mix going into the weekend. Mostly clear, partly cloudy skies for you during the work week. Comfortable winter temperatures that we're seeing. Butte, similar case for you as well. So really, bottom line here is today and into tomorrow is going to be the end of that valley inversion and these bone-chillingly cold temperatures, and it looks like a better work week coming up ahead.
All right, well, I'm looking forward to those warmer temperatures. I'm not looking forward to asking